Hey guys, it's Sakeenah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you with me to find out how I got all this glowy goodness looking supple and beautimous and moisturized and juicy as it does look. Don't even play. You know my skin is looking really good right now. And I'm going to show you exactly why in this video. Okay, so today I am going to a skin appointment, a facial at eleMINT Skin Studio. It is located in Austin, Texas on East 6th Street. And it is my first time actually going to this particular skin studio. It is a Black-owned skin studio that uses clean beauty products. Y'all know I'm all about my clean beauty, especially if you've been watching my channel. So I'm really excited to see what this studio is all about.
Oil cleanser.
Okay.
So this guy has got jojoba oil infused with lavender, arnica, chamomile. So it's a really soothing antibacterial oil cleanser.
Okay.
For our skin, we know it's composed of oil, water, and protein. And we know if we were to put oil and water in a cup, the oil would sit on top. So for our skin, in order to break down its natural oils, break down congestion, we start cleansing with oil first.
Okay.
This is going to help, take off any sunscreen, makeup at the end of the day, dirt and debris that sticks to the skin from outside. And then we'll follow with a water-based cleanser.
Okay, so oil cleanser and then a water-based cleanser.
Exactly. It's a process called double cleansing.
Would you prefer not to be in this video?
You can get a couple clips.
If I,
I look cute.
You look cute. Oh, your hair is cute. I'll be like, this is Amari. Go check her out at eleMINT, an awesome Black-owned skincare studio.
So now we are going in with Botany's Foaming Cleanser. So this guy has got golden seal and arnica in it. Both of those are antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. There's also some hyaluronic acid and lactic acid.
Okay.
So it gently exfoliates the skin without being too stripping.
How often would you recommend that people go and get facials?
So it really depends on what your goals are for your skin and your skin type. Someone like you have pretty normal skin. You like a pretty simple routine. I think that's definitely best for your skin type as well. So I would say about 6 to 8 weeks for you to get a regular facial. So today I really want to target resurfacing the skin. We're going to help target some of this congestion that I'm seeing in the cheeks, a little bit down here. So really just getting up some of those blackheads, exfoliating the skin, and then we're going to pack a bunch of nutrients and hydration back in.
Okay. I left those for you.
What was that?
I left those.
Oh, you left them for me?
I was like, let me not mess up my skin trying to do it myself. So.
Love that. Thank you. Oatmeal just to help soothe and hydrate the skin. A little bit of the lactic rose peel. This is going to help fight any pigmentation in the skin.
Okay.
Add in some goat's milk yogurt to help mix this up. The yogurt is going to act like a natural form of lactic acid just to help give us some fatty acids and enzymes to mix these up for us.
She is cooking up a concoction back there.
Cooking up. How's that feeling on the skin so far?
Smells good. Smells good.
All right. So we're gonna get some. have fun, like see your friends, like okay, we're also back.
Hey, I love extractions.
That's hard, right? It's what we're all here for.
I don't know why, but I've been getting a lot of blackheads lately. I don't know, maybe I'm not cleaning my skin well enough after with makeup.
It's definitely, that definitely could be it. So that's where like double cleansing helps a lot. I think for your skin especially, like just getting an oil cleanser, you'll see a big difference. So right now I'm just working in some of the extraction booster. So this guy has got some witch hazel, golden seal, and arnica.
Okay.
It's gonna help kind of break down the oil and protect the skin from bacteria while we do these extractions. So you'll just be feeling vibrations across the skin, and when I see a clogged pore, I'm gonna apply some pressure.
Okay.
Using this little machine called the BT Micro. So this guy is just using ultrasonic waves at the tip to collect my skin cells, and then when I see a clogged pore, just apply a little bit of pressure to help pull it up.
Get that, y'all.
Yeah.
You extract with that machine?
Yes.
Yeah, that thing is bothering me.
See some of the things we got out.
Girl. Yeah.
Some blackheads, some juicy ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to start double cleansing.
It's helping to further decongest the pores and kind of soothe the skin after those extractions. Add a little bit of calendula in here. Calendula is going to help soothe and hydrate the skin as well as targeting any hyperpigmentation. Some chamomile. This is also an anti-inflammatory.
I need this entire setup in my bathroom.
Girl, me too. Me too.
It looks nice.
So pretty.
I feel like my skin looks fresher already.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, your skin is loving everything that we've done so far.
I don't look tired. I felt tired. It's been like a rough couple weeks.
Oh, really? So you just needed a moment.
Well, before I booked it, it wasn't rough, but it got rough.
But it got rough.
I'm like, thank God I have this facial.
Right.
I like the smell of this one. Well, everything smells great, but this one, I can smell the manuka.
Yeah,
I know
the
what that
honey,
smells like.
the chamomile, such pretty smells together.
You ain't joking.
Chili, 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 chili.
This is helping to close the pores and locking that.
So basically, it is helping just mainly to relax the muscles of the face.
Okay.
I'm using the stones to do some lymphatic drainage as well.
Yay.
So removing any toxins that are sitting stagnant under the skin.
I love the way that feels. It feels so cool.
Yeah, feels great. Next, we're gonna do some high frequency.
Some what?
High frequency.
Okay.
So that little machine is going to help kill off any acne-causing bacteria that's happening underneath the skin. Another tool. So, this guy is an ozone gas chamber in the glass. So when we plug it in, it creates some electricity. The sound is scarier than the feeling.
Okay.
We'll show on the forehead. So basically, the electricity is shocking the bacteria underneath the skin for us.
Oh wow. I can feel that. Mm-hmm. That's not going to cause any hyperpigmentation?
Nope, causes no damage to the skin. Only if we were to like burn you with it. But I would have to like sit it on your skin for like a few minutes to do that. Oh my god.
I look 10 years younger. I love it.
Alrighty there. So next we're going in with the Herbal Healing Emulsion from eleMINT Organics. So this guy has got some aloe vera, arnica, and calendula. Really help to soothe and hydrate the skin. Go in with some more of that extraction booster. So this has got that witch hazel, which is going to help with any of that congestion, kind of help fight those blackheads.
Okay.
And then again, some more golden seal to help heal the skin. And we're going in with the coconut and hyaluronic acid moisturizer.
you.
You're welcome.
They are chronically dry.
Getting some SPF. And my dear, how's your skin feeling?
It feels great. It looks great.
Looking good too.
It looks good. Yeah. I'm very happy.
Yay.
Thank you.
Absolutely. It was a pleasure.
So I just got out of my facial and this is the finished look. My skin, I mean, it looks really good. It looks really moisturized and it looks very supple. She actually did a lot of extractions and she got a lot out from what I could see. And I am very happy with how my skin looks right now. I'm going to definitely take her advice and start doing double cleansing with an oil cleanser. If you would like to find out more about eleMINT Skin Studio, be sure to check my description box. I've posted their link to their website below. I'll definitely be going back. I really enjoyed my experience. I did not get the full hour. That is the next one I'm gonna do because they have this really cool jelly facial. It looks like jelly. I guess she said it's made out of algae. And it looks like jelly and it dries and they peel it off. It looks super cool. So I want to try it. I believe that it's a 1 hour facial. I'll be doing that one next and I will be sure to give you guys an update on that. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed, be sure to do so. I'll see you guys later. Bye.